BidItUp Auctions Worldwide, Corporate Assets, and Cresa are proud to present an exclusive private treaty sale of Milwaukee Forge, a fully operational steel forging facility still in production located in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This is a turnkey opportunity to acquire a complete forging operation, including the real estate, equipment, plant support, and ongoing production capabilities for a fraction of new cost. The Milwaukee Forge facility features forging, hammer, trim, hydraulic and mechanical presses, and ring mills designed for precision rolled ring forging. It's fully equipped for heat treating, including billet induction up to 2,300 degrees Fahrenheit to normalizing, annealing, quenching, and tempering, plus in-house machining for finished forged components. The facility also houses testing and laboratory equipment, ensuring every part meets the highest industry standards. Milwaukee Forge produces 2 to 100 pound closed die, open die, and rolled ring steel forgings for heavy industries. This is a rare chance to acquire a fully integrated, high capacity forging operation in the heart of the Midwest. For more details, reach out to Tara or visit BidItUp.com.